This is the voice before enhanced.
This is the voice for test. You can hear here sound noise. You can uh, listen the background noise is so much.
This is the enhanced version of the voice. You can see the result. Awesome. Check the result. To enhance speech like this, search Adobe Podcast. Open the first link. Click on Enhanced Video Speech. Open File, or you can drag and drop. Select the voice which you want to enhance. AI is enhancing your voice. This will take few minutes, maybe 4 to 5 minutes. Just wait for it. Your file is ready. You can download. Click on download button. Thanks for watching video.